Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a label in Canva. So whether you're a business owner or someone just wanting to create a product at home and you need a label for that, this is how you do it. So from your Canva homepage, you're going to click on the left hand side on the templates tab. From there, you're going to type into the search bar label and you'll have all different types of label suggestions come up. So if you're creating a label for something specific, this is where you can choose that. So it might be a food label, a product label, a dress label, classroom labels, name labels. So pick the one that best suits your needs. So I'm going to click let's click on product label. So you can see loads of different labels come up. These are all professionally designed templates. Remember, whichever one you choose, you can go in and edit every part of it. So it's, becomes exactly what you want. So you can change up the fonts and the colors, things like that. So let's have a look. So I quite like this one. If I was creating a soap bar, this would be a nice label to use. So I'm going to click on customize this template. So here's where you can edit everything. So you can go in and give your soap bar a name if it has it, put in the name of your business and what type of soap bar it is. And then you can also change up the fonts and the colors of the fonts and even move this line around if you don't want that line there. There's so much editing you do. You can get your label exactly how you want it. And when you're finished, give your label a name, and you have a few different options for downloading it. By clicking on share, you can either download it yourself and print it out yourself, or you can have it printed with Canva. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.